Hi everyone, welcome back. In this video, we'll learn two very useful Flutter animation widgets, animated opacity and animated alignment. Both are implicit animations, which means Flutter automatically animates changes without complex code. We'll see both animations on one screen so you can clearly understand the difference. Now, what are implicit animations? Implicit animations animate UI changes automatically when values change. We don't need animation controller, ticker, and custom animation logic. Just change the value and Flutter animates it. Now, what is animated opacity? Animated opacity is used to fade a widget in or out smoothly. Instead of instantly hiding a widget, it slowly becomes visible or invisible. And the common uses are loading effects, show height text, and infade transitions. Now, what is animated align? Animated align is used to move a widget smoothly inside its parent. When alignment changes, Flutter animates the movement automatically. Now, the common uses are in sliding UI, toggle switches, and in moving icons. Now, let's see the code. Now, first of all, I'm using stateful widget. We use stateful widget because animation depends on changing values. Now, let's move to the main part. Here, bool is active equals to false. This boolean controls everything: alignment position, opacity value. When this value changes, animations start. Now, we have the container. The container is just for reference. It gives us a fixed area so we can clearly see movement. Then we use animated align. So animated align animates the position of its child. Duration decides how long the movement takes, and curve decide how smooth the movement feels. Now here we are using the alignment property. This is where animation happens. When is active is false, box is at bottom left. If true, box move to top right. Flutter detects these changes and animates automatically. Now we have animated opacity. Animated opacity controls transparency. 1.0 means fully visible and 0.0 means completely invisible. Here, when active, box is clear. When inactive, box is faded. In the end, we have a flow detection button. When button is pressed, set state is called. Is active, value changes. Flutter rebuilds the UI. Animated widget detects value change. Animation starts automatically. Now let's see the output. As you can see, the blue box moves smoothly. Opacity changes at the same time. Both animations run together. No animation controller, no extra logic. Flutter handles everything. Now, what you have to remember is animation happens only when value changes. Set state is required. Animation widget works best for simple UI animations. Animated opacity and animated align are perfect when you want smooth UI, clean code, and less complexity. So, for advanced control, we use explicit animations. So, that's animated opacity and animated align in Flutter. These widgets help you build smooth modern UI with very little code. So, that's it for today. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.